Hey guys, it's been a little while since I made a video, so I wanted to give you an update on the Subaru. A lot has changed in the past couple weeks, and I wanted to go over some of the modifications that I've done. I'm not going to go over everything yet because I'll share that stuff in another video, but I just wanted to go over a couple of the mods. I recently installed the Perrin pitch stop brace with the stainless steel clutch line, and that was a pretty easy install. The only thing that I recommend is that you have a friend to help you bleed the clutch. As long as you have the right tools, it's a really easy job, and I highly recommend doing it, especially if you already have an aftermarket pitch stop. I think it's recommended that you have the brace as well. I also installed the processless Verticooler and charge pipe kit, and that was also a pretty easy install. I highly recommend it. Everything lined up perfectly, fitment's great, and even with the new air dam on the hood scoop, that lined up perfectly. And it's not going to be as efficient as a front mount intercooler, but I didn't plan on going the front mount route. Maybe you will, but if you're going to go with the top mount, I highly recommend it. I also picked up the Boomba bypass valve, and I just installed that along with the processless Verticooler. And the installation's super easy, and I tried to get some good sound clips of it, but the microphone I used had a lot of static, so it kind of ruined a lot of the pulls that I did. So when I went to go film it again, there was a lot of traffic, so I didn't really do any high boost pulls.